All right, we have here Yamaha TTR110. This is a 2017, and we're replacing the battery. The battery's dead on it. So you just need a 10mm socket. Take this bolt off here. And 10mm socket on this one. Once you get both of the bolts out, this just pulls away, and there's a little push pin right here that goes in right there that just pulls out. Okay, you have access to your battery here. It just straps down, and then there's an electrical connector right there. Okay, I've got the battery out here. I'm just gonna, there's just this little tab you depress down. Helps with a little flathead screwdriver to kind of push it down and then pry out. There we go. Okay, so the old battery has this little rubber protector around it. Okay, here's our new battery. Just see the link for the description. I just got this on Amazon. They're pretty cheap, but you just want to make sure they're the same size, which they are. Okay, so we're good there. Right here, I want to check my fuse. So I just want to make sure the fuse isn't blown. And before I put it back, I just want to make sure that it's going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my key on. Okay, I'm going to turn my key on. I got the kill switch off. Yep. See here. Battery works. Just got to turn the gas on here and then get it fired up. Okay, so this part is on the outside of the battery. This is where the strap goes. So we slide it in like that. Okay, so it just hooks on down there. Use this little strap to lift it up there. Okay, now we just put our plastic part back on. 10mm. Like this. So remember, this little push pin here goes in that hole right there. So that's how you replace the battery. This is, again, this 2017 Yamaha TTR110. Pretty easy, straightforward, and we should be good to go now. All right, thanks for watching.